Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into an intriguing topic that shapes our global landscape: international law. But what exactly does that mean for businesses today? From the sovereignty of states to the role of international organizations, and from diverse business models to sustainability, we'll explore how these elements interconnect and influence international trade. Let's break it down. First, let's talk about sovereignty. Sovereignty is the principle of supreme authority within a territory, and it underpins international law. This means countries have the right to govern themselves without external interference. For example, every nation has its own laws that regulate business within its borders. Understanding this concept is crucial for businesses looking to operate internationally. Next up, international business organizations. These structures play a pivotal role in how businesses operate around the globe. Let's look at several types of organizations. Sole proprietorships. This is the simplest form of business, where one individual is fully responsible for its debts. Think of a local baker running their shop independently. Partnerships. Here, two or more individuals manage and operate the business together, sharing profits and liabilities. For instance, a law firm often operates as a partnership, pooling resources and talents. Corporations. These are more complex structures recognized as separate legal entities. They limit personal liability, which is why many tech startups choose to incorporate. Limited partnerships. This structure features both general partners who manage the business and limited partners who invest but do not participate in day-to-day management. A classic example includes venture capital firms that fund startups but do not run them directly. International law is also shaped by conventions and customs. Conventions are formal agreements between countries, whereas customs develop from consistent state practice. The United Nations plays a central role in fostering these agreements, facilitating diplomacy and establishing norms. For example, the UN Convention on Contracts for the International Sale of Goods, CISG, helps mitigate risks in international sales by providing a standardized legal framework. The World Court, formerly known as the International Court of Justice, settles disputes between states and provides international legal opinions. For instance, it ruled on the legal status of territories in a case involving Indonesia and Malaysia, underlining its role in peaceful conflict resolution. Meanwhile, the World Trade Organization regulates trade between nations, ensuring that trade flows as smoothly and predictably as possible. Through its dispute resolution mechanism, countries can resolve trade conflicts without resorting to hostile measures. Sustainability is increasingly becoming a focal point for international businesses. It plays a critical role in corporate responsibility. Companies like Unilever are leading the way by integrating sustainable practices into their business models, aiming to reduce environmental impacts while maximizing economic benefits. Sustainability is not just good for the planet, it's also good for business. In the United States, we have at-will employment, allowing employers to dismiss employees without cause. This is quite different from many countries that provide stronger job security and require just cause for termination. Understanding these differences is crucial for companies navigating international talent pools. Diversity and inclusion are essential for fostering innovative workplaces. The International Labor Organization, or ILO, promotes equality and non-discrimination globally, ensuring that marginalized groups have opportunities in the workplace. For example, many companies are implementing DEI initiatives to create more inclusive work environments. When it comes to making management decisions, understanding cultural nuances and market dynamics is vital. Factors like export potential and foreign direct investment can significantly influence business strategies. Companies must tailor their approaches based on local markets, or they risk falling short of consumer needs. Finally, let's discuss international advertising. Navigating diverse cultural landscapes can be challenging but rewarding. For example, when Coca-Cola adapts its marketing strategies for different regions, it resonates with local consumers. Additionally, understanding compulsory licensing in pharmaceuticals ensures companies comply with international regulations while promoting public health. International law and business are intricately linked. Understanding these structures not only helps navigate the complexities of global commerce, but also lays the foundation for successful partnerships across borders. Join us in our next video as we explore the intricacies of negotiations in international markets. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into international law and business. Until next time, keep striving for success in the global arena.